Alright, in this video we're going to work on identifying and creating area model fractions with mixed numbers. So looking at this rectangle into thirds completely shaded, that's going to give us one whole. So when we look at this picture here, these rectangles divided into thirds, I notice that this one is completely shaded. So that's going to give me one whole. This one is completely shaded. That's going to give me two whole shapes, completely shaded. Then when I look at this one, I see that it is not completely shaded. I know that there are three parts. So this is thirds, and I see 1/3, 2/3 shaded. So the mixed number for this picture would be 2 and 2/3. Now when I have the mixed number and I'm creating the picture, I'm going to look at the denominator and see how many parts the shape is divided into. So this mixed number is 2 and 2/4. So I'm going to go ahead and draw one rectangle. That's one of the easier shapes to draw and represent in fractions. I'm going to divide it in half, and then divide each of those in half to give me fourths. I have two wholes, so I'm actually going to shade this one in and make it one whole. And I'm showing that it's whole by shading all the parts, 4/4. And I need two wholes. I'm going to do another rectangle, divide it in half, and then divide each of those halves into half again to give 4 parts. And I need this one to be a whole, so I'm going to shade 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 to make 4/4. So now I have two wholes right here, and then I'm going to look at the fraction. So my next shape is going to be also divided into fourths. And when I look at this fraction, I'm looking at how many fourths are shaded. And the numerator is telling me 2/4 are shaded. So I'm going to shade in 1/4 and 2/4. So now I have drawn the picture to go with 2 and 2/4. 1, 2, 2 and 2/4.